Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to download and install Vector CANdb software, which is used mainly for creating and modifying or editing a DBC file. Before the download and install part of CANdb software, let's see what a CANdbc stands for. CANdbc stands for Database for the CAN Network. The DBC file mainly helps us to identify and read the type of data that gets communicated over CAN bus. It is used by automotive industries worldwide. Now let's see the download link. I'll be providing you this link in the description. So once I click on the link, it redirects me to the Vector official page where I'll be able to see the CANdb++ software description, advantages, application areas, functions, and so on things which you can go through. So in the download section, I'll be choosing CANdb++ here. Here comes the software to be downloaded, where I go for a download now. In my case, it is already downloaded, so I'll be cancelling this one. I'll go to downloads folder, right click, run as administrator. Click next on the pop-up. This is the place where the installation gets done. Next, so this is the English version and we have to tick this one. If not ticked, next, then install. It takes a while, around 2 to 3 minutes to install. Once the installation is done, you can just click on the finish. Now let's go and launch the application now. Let's go to the C drive where it got installed, program files. Let me go to Vector CANdb++. Okay, here the first folder. Here you will be able to see the application. I will just take it to the desktop as a shortcut now. Send to create shortcut. Let's go to the desktop and see. Yeah, it is created as a shortcut here. Once I double click on this application, it will be launched. Here we are with the installation of Vector CANdb++. In my next video, I will show you how to create a CANdbc file, edit it or modify an existing CANdbc file. Be in touch with the channel. Please do subscribe and like. Thank you all. Bye. See you in the next video.